Alright, y'all, we're gonna get my Thanksgiving dinner. I have to do Thanksgiving tomorrow, so I'm gonna get part of it done, or part of it going today. So here we go. Pay attention. We got some water. Yeah. We might need another one, but we'll see. We got some minced garlic, as y'all see, organic minced. Oh, gotta find my good amount of garlic in there. I'm in a truck, you gotta remember, if I was in an actual kitchen, I would be sauteing the onions and all this stuff by themselves and then combining them. But me being in a truck, I have to do what I can. We got some okra. Me, myself, I'd rather use fresh okra, but like I said, being in a truck, you gotta do what you gotta do. We got beautiful ham hock. Oh, let me put that in after. Hold on, let me put that over there. Okay, we got some onions. Put a good amount of onions in this motherfucker. Here we go. Got some onions in there. Put some pepper. Yeah. Get twisted. If y'all use this technique on your husband, oh, your husband be happy. I'm just joking. Just joking. Don't cancel me, okay? We got some salt. Himalayan pink salt, of course. We're gonna put the ham hock in. There we go. Oh, that just the water smells amazing. This is a simple recipe, y'all. My people that look like me, y'all know. I'm gonna put some of these in. Oh, that's a little more than half a bag. It's alright. We're gonna make it work. And then just put these underwater. There we go. I might have put a little bit too much beans than I usually do. Well, I didn't. I did. But as y'all see, it's a small crock pot, so I'm gonna have to scoop some of the beans out and do what I gotta do. Just so y'all know, I am actually scooping beans up because I put too much. I'm not trying to scoop no okra out though. I've scooped out that much so far. Because I need to put more water in and not just have some crunchy ass beans. Can't do that. This is a blooper, y'all. I made a mistake. Scoop that. I am scooping out a lot of onion though, which it ain't gonna make no big deal. All right. Yeah, see, it's a lot of okra. I love okra. Anybody that know me will tell you I love okra. Just wait, y'all, because I'm going to show y'all right now. Well, I'm going to tell y'all right now. I got a turkey wing. I got some sweet potatoes. I'm going to make some homemade mac and cheese. Well, truck-made mac and cheese. This. And that's going to, oh, and some greens. I'm making greens also. And I'm doing it in my truck like I do everything else. I holler. I forgot one thing, y'all. Forgot one thing. I gotta put my habaneros in here. Come on now. My, you know, y'all know I sun dry my own habaneros. So we're gonna put some of these in here. There we go. Give it a little flavor. A little bit of flavor and a little bit of zing to it. But I holler. Alright, y'all, we back. Truckerslife, baby, Cowboys, baby. How about the Cowboys? We got a whole turkey wing. Y'all see? About to get it marinating for tomorrow's dinner. Put a little bit of oil in there. We got some minced garlic. Minced garlic going in. 2 spoons of it. Y'all see? Minced garlic. Of course, we need some salt. Some seasoned pepper. Not regular pepper, we're using seasoned pepper today. We got some paprika. We got some honey. And we got my habaneros. Yes, I'm making a habanero, honey, garlic, turkey wing in the air fryer tomorrow. Shout out to the homegirl from TikTok. She know who she is. I don't need to put her name in it. She gave me the idea. She wanted jalapeno. And I was like, no, why use jalapeno when you got habaneros? And then we just gonna take this and we're gonna mix it around and get it marinated until tomorrow night. And I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Doses. What's up, guys? I'm back and we got the sweet potatoes about to go in. I already diced them up yesterday, so we just go. sir. Yeah, that was my reefer starting, if you heard it. I know y'all probably think I'm crazy as much as I'm cooking, huh? But I am. Alright, we back. We got the butter. About a half a stick of butter here. Put it right on top. Because as it melts, it's gonna, and then I'm gonna be driving, so it's gonna be shaking around. We got the brown sugar. There's a reason they call them candy. There we go. That should be plenty. And we got a little bit of cinnamon. And then I know it's in a coffee cup, but it's just vanilla flavor. It's just vanilla. Had to pay for a coffee to get this vanilla because I couldn't find it in the store, so just a little bit, just drizzle a little bit on there. And then we're gonna close this up. And I'm gonna finish my drive. And I will talk to y'all later. What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. I ain't gotta introduce myself again. But we're going to start this by, it's like 4 strips of bacon just going in there. We got the onions going in too. I know y'all remember the turkey wing got marinated last night. Big ass thing goes in here. I'm gonna have to maneuver it a little bit to get it to fit in here. Well, y'all, I had to cut it up a little bit and only use one part of the chicken, the bottom part of the turkey, I mean, and just make it work. That goes in there. Turn that on and let it cook for about, well, this timer only goes up to 30 minutes, so it'll cook for 30, and then I'll restart it for another 30 or 15. Probably only take about 45 minutes. But I have it set at 350, and I'll holla. All right, y'all. We gotta put some garlic in here now. I know I like my garlic in food. I don't like it plain. Here we go, 2 teaspoons is good. I know y'all probably wondering what I'm making, huh? I know you is. We got some Himalayan pink salt. We'll get it down in there. We got some Slap Your Mama, the white pepper blend. It's a little more pepper forward, so I'm not gonna put any more pepper in it. Go. There was something else I was gonna put. Oh no, I already put garlic. I don't need garlic powder. Never mind. I forgot. I do like garlic powder. Garlic powder. And I know we got fresh onion, but we still want to put some onion powder. Okay, I was making sure it wasn't garlic powder because I don't want to double up on the garlic powder. There we go. And a little bit of honey just to counteract that savoriness. This is just my little personal thing. Not everybody does it. Just a little bit. Kind of cut that savory and all them bold flavors, kind of cut a little bit. All right, we got some mustard greens and collard greens in here. Put them straight in there. I don't boil my water first because I want the greens to absorb all the flavor. And when you boil them, when you have the water boiling immediately, the flavor don't infuse all the way. So when you do it like this, as it cooks, as the water gets hot and starts boiling, all that flavor is soaking into the greens better. A little bit more water. And then I'm gonna mix it around, get all the stuff mixed into it. Because all this is gonna reduce down to a lot smaller. So we want all them flavors mixing around in there. All right, hold on, y'all. Gotta pause this real quick.
We got two. We got one for each.
We got the turkey wing right here. Get air fried, baby, nice and crispy skin. Yeah, baby. Y'all see that? Ooh, that's hot. It just came out. Just got done. And then we're gonna take these tongues right here. Y'all see them greens? There we go. Put it right there. There's that. We got the sweet potatoes. Nice and tender, candied up. I already sampled them, they taste delicious, so I already know what I do. This is my Thanksgiving dinner. As y'all know, if y'all follow me, made in my truck. This is gonna be the 4th video special. As y'all see, I've made 2 previous videos. Alright. Get some of that pork in there, some of that ham hock meat. Some black peas in there. But hey, y'all, that's my Thanksgiving dinner. As y'all know, made in my truck. And I holler, y'all, I'm gone.